Alright, man, the girlfriend says the lawnmower won't start. I pulled the cover off and cleaned it up a little bit and wiped it down. But I have a suspicion that this thing hasn't been serviced since it was purchased, which is, 2009? So we got a Briggs & Stratton 6.75 on a snapper push mower with a front drive. Nice mower, man. Works kick ass, but not running too good, so let's pop this air filter off and see what we have. Forgive me for my shaky camera work. Actually, should I say camera phone work. And the birds right now are louder than I am probably, so let's see what we got here. See if I can do this one-handed. It's kind of a long screw, so there it goes. Alright, this should pull out, lift out on tabs. Okay, sorry. So here's this guy. I'm going to set this down for you here. Looks decent, right? What's the problem? Let's see. Yeah. Flip it over here. What's the problem? Hey, ain't no problem here, right? It can still breathe through these little portions, right? Shit. Let me show you what it's supposed to look like. Hey man, no problem here, right? This is, in all honesty, it's time to service the power equipment. And this filter on the right, what you see is severely clogged. The engine does still run, by the way, but this filter is only a few years old, so just make sure to do your maintenance on your precious little toys here, or else you could wind up with some more costly repairs. So take care, guys.